Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, here once again at McConnell Chevrolet Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Healdsburg, heart of Sonoma County's wine country, Sonoma County's best kept secret. Now, if these videos are helping you out, please like, share, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Today we're going to go over this GMC Acadia. It is a pre-owned vehicle, great size SUV. Nice gunmetal gray wheels, painted to match door handles and mirror caps. This is a 2017. It is the SLT. Now we're going to come right here to the back. You do have the parking sensors there in the bumper, dual exhaust, and you should have the power liftgate. There we go. It is a 3-row SUV. Now when you pull on these guys here, see if I can do it, they will drop down flat. When you want to pull them back up, you just give them a pull there. The headrest will come up. When you have passengers, you can put them down so you can see better out the rear. When you don't have passengers, both rows go down to give you excellent cargo capability. Now with this SUV, you do have the power hatch here, remote start, lock, unlock, panic button. Now these are proximity keys, so when the vehicle is locked, you just come right over here, press the little chrome button to unlock or lock the vehicle if the keys are on your person. Coming into the second row here, you have the 110 power outlet, USB ports, controls for the rear AC. In the leather interior here, you're going to have the drop down for your cup holders. There is a couple ways to move the seat. Now down here you have the lever to lay flat, so if you're going to haul anything, put this guy back up, and you also have up here to slide it forward to get in that third row. Now this vehicle does have the all-weather floor mats. It's an upgrade. Now underneath here you do have a bar that you can grab, and so you can slide the seats completely forward to give the third row more leg room in the back. And as you saw, it was split, so you can have one side stay back, one side move up, or vice versa. Let's jump in the front here. You do have the Bose surround sound stereo. This is for the rear hatch power. You can have it all the way open. You can put it to 3/4 of the way, or you can click it to off. So that if you park in the garage or something and you're up against the door, you don't accidentally open the rear hatch and bang it against the wall or the garage door. Power windows, power mirrors right here, window lockout, power door locks. There's the floor mats we were talking about. Emergency brake is electric. You have the 10-way power driver seat, airbags in the seat. Go ahead and jump in. You have 69,000 miles on this bad boy. Heated seats for either side, and you do have the terrain adjuster, so you can adjust this and it will change your terrain. Parking sensors on and off is right here. AC, dual climate control, and then you have your touchscreen radio. Rear climate, this is for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. OnStar Nav, pair your phone, send text messages. You have your camera, so you can set up tow or the grid there to see how far an object is behind you. You do have Apple CarPlay, like I had said. You can also Bluetooth your phone to the car and have streamless audio, AM, FM, and XM radio, and then you also have the media for your cell phone, so you can stream your music from your phone to the radio. Downloadable apps, and back here you do have nice sized glove box. You have the head curtain airbags. You also have the airbags in the seat, in the dash. Very safe automobile. Bluetooth right here, cruise control. Has the anti-locking disc brakes with traction control. Is a clean vehicle inside and out. Plenty of things to go over once you're here. Come on down, Healdsburg Avenue, Healdsburg, California. McConnell Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Ram. We'll see you soon.